Have you ever reached the end of the month and asked yourself, where did all my money go? You worked hard. You spent money. But somehow the numbers just don't add up. That happened to a friend of mine. She sat down one evening, looked at 3 months of her bank statements, and discovered over $400 a month quietly disappearing. Every single month. Gone. She did not change her lifestyle at all. She used 5 free AI tools to find the leaks and fix them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how they can help, step by step. Welcome to the Money Journeys, where everyday people like you and me explore money through AI tools, real stories, and the wisdom of great books. No complicated jargon, no guru advice, just an honest journey toward financial freedom together. If that sounds like your kind of place, hit subscribe and let's figure this out. Tool 1 is ChatGPT, and here is the exact thing to do with it. Go to your bank app and export or screenshot your last 3 months of transactions. Then open ChatGPT and paste them in with this specific prompt, and write this down. Categorize these transactions into groups like food, subscriptions, transport, and entertainment. Peter had the same problem, and this exactly helped him too. ChatGPT identified Peter's top few money leaks and suggested specific amounts he could realistically cut from each category. ChatGPT does not just list your spending, it will reason through it. It found that he was paying for 4 separate streaming services totaling $67 a month, 2 of which he had completely forgotten about. It then suggested he too consolidate to 2 and rotate quarterly, saving him $32 a month instantly. That is $384 a year from a 5-minute exercise. Tool 2 is Google NotebookLM, and this one does something none of the others can. Most AI tools only know what you type to them. NotebookLM reads your actual documents. Here is what to do. Upload your home insurance policy, your phone contract, and your last 3 utility bills all into one notebook. LM Notebook. Then ask it these specific questions. Am I on the best available rate for each of these? Are there any clauses in these contracts I should know about before renewing? Which of these is most worth negotiating or switching? NotebookLM reads every page and answers based on your real numbers, not general internet advice. One person discovered their home insurance had automatically renewed at a 23% higher premium. They called and negotiated it back down, saving over $200 that year, just by knowing what was actually in their own documents. Tool 3 is Perplexity AI, and think of it as Google search, but actually useful for money decisions. Unlike other AI tools, Perplexity searches the live web and cites every source so you can verify every claim yourself. Short vids here is the specific habit to build. Before you renew any subscription, sign any new contract, or buy anything over $50, open Perplexity and type this. What are the best current alternatives to service name in your country with pricing as of today? It pulls live data, compares real plans, and shows you exactly where the sources came from. Someone used this before renewing their phone plan, and Perplexity found 3 better options within seconds. They switched and saved $55 every single month. That is $660 a year from a 30-second search. Tool 4 is Canva, and this one solves the problem that kills most money plans. You make a budget. You feel motivated for 3 days, then life happens and you forget about it completely. The reason is simple. Your plan is invisible. Canva's free tools let you build a visual debt payoff tracker and savings milestone chart in about 15 minutes. Make it colorful. Make it clear. Then set it as your phone wallpaper. Research on behavioral finance shows that people who keep their financial goals visually visible are significantly more likely to follow through because your brain responds to what it sees every day. Every time you pick up your phone, you see exactly where you are and where you are going. It is the cheapest accountability system that exists. Tool 5 is Claude AI, and this is the one you use when you are ready to stop reacting to money problems and actually build a real plan. Here is the specific prompt to use. Open Claude and type this. I earn this amount of monthly income. My fixed costs are this number. I have this items of debts. My goal is pay off this much within a time frame. Build me a realistic 90-day money reset plan with specific weekly actions and honest trade-offs I should consider. Unlike some AI tools that just tell you what you want to hear, Claude reasons carefully through trade-offs. Media Mister. It will tell you if your goal is unrealistic and suggest a better timeline. It will flag trade-offs you had not considered. It gives you a real plan, not just encouragement. Think of it as the most patient, honest financial thinking partner you have ever had, available anytime, completely free. Today, I've shared the AI-assisted mechanism, which could handle most of the heavy lifting of the monthly money management in just 20 minutes. No spreadsheets, no stress. Let's dive in. Here's the magic. Your 5-tool AI money system. Kick off with ChatGPT for a quick spending audit. Upload your transactions, and it'll spot those sneaky utility bills or big buys. Even set savings targets. Love that. Next, NotebookLM turns your docs-like bills or statements into an easy deep dive podcast you can listen to on your walk. Perplexity AI? Perfect for price checks. Ask about anything over $10, and it'll hunt down better alternatives with real savings follow-ups. Canva AI builds gorgeous visual trackers like progress charts for your goals that actually motivate you. And Claude AI wraps it up with a no-fluff 90-day plan, simple and doable. Together, think 10% expense cuts, fun travel plans, or even budget partnering with a friend. Boom, complete free system. And this beautiful image, it captures the heart of it. You surrounded by AI helpers, watching money flow freely. Empowering, right? These examples are just the tip. They're so versatile. Use M for budgeting, debt payoff, subscription audits, or even planning content creator earnings. I am still exploring all of this myself. The tools that work, the ones that don't, the real results. No hype. Just honest exploration together. Thank you for being part of this journey today. Building wealth is about more than just numbers. It's about the tools, the mindset, and the strategies we use to navigate an ever-changing world. If you want to dive deeper into personal finance, smart investing, and modern ways to grow your income, make sure to subscribe to the Money Journeys. We're here to explore every path to financial freedom together. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. And I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. What topics you'd like to watch in our next journey?